Rio de Janeiro is more than a sugar loaf. It is home of Bioparque, which was an old zoo rebuilt in 2020 and just reopened its doors a few days ago into a very sustainably concerned property where you see Brazilian animals together with Aqua Rio, which is an aquarium also in Rio de Janeiro with more than 5,000 water animals. It's worth a trip to Rio de Janeiro. My name is Lorena. I'm an independent travel advisor, affiliate to Prime Tour, a Brazilian luxury tourism operator, a virtuoso member, which is the most luxury tourism chain in the world. And I'm here to help you. In Rio de Janeiro, you can spend a few days in the capital in a very luxury accommodation. Everything organized from transfers, airfare, hotels, and also day trips. And you can extend your trip to very small beach towns and very luxury. And we organize everything and we have 24 hours assistance. And I'm very happy to share this with you. Please have a look in the feed. There is another post with more information about this trip to Rio de Janeiro. And this is today Brazil Insider episode. Today, Rio de Janeiro. Thank you. Bye bye.